Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to remove borders in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so as you can see we have this table of US states with their population and we have added some borders to the cells. And if you want to remove borders, it's really easy to do. All you have to do is select the cells where you want to remove the borders. Then what you have to do is under the menu bar you're gonna see this toolbar and you will see this borders icon. If you click on it, you will have the option to clear borders. And as you can see, the cell borders have been removed. Of course, if you have some kind of other borders, if you want to have borders but not this all borders type, as you can see here, what you can also do is clear borders and add the type of borders you want to have. So in this case, only the edges of the table have borders. And of course, what you can also do is go to a cell which doesn't have any border, and then you can paint the format and the cell where you want to remove the borders, but that will also remove other formatting options you have. So in this case, the state has been unbolded. And one more thing I would like to add is that if you mean borders like the grid lines, these are the grid lines which have this light gray color. These are not borders. If you want to remove the grid lines, what you have to do is click on View, Show, and you can take out the grid lines here. And as you can see, we have removed the grid lines, but all in all, this is how you can remove the borders in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.